In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to n8n. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your n8n workflow talking directly to Microsoft Excel, so you can use Excel as either the starting point of an automation or as an action within a larger process. Let's keep this simple and clear. Start in your n8n workflow canvas. On the right side, click the plus icon to add a new node. A search panel will appear. Type Microsoft Excel, or simply Excel, into the search bar, and you'll see the Microsoft Excel nodes listed. These nodes are what n8n uses to understand and work with your spreadsheets. Choose the Excel node that matches what you want to do. If you want your workflow to start when something happens in Excel, pick a trigger type node. If you want Excel to be part of the process after something else runs, pick an action type node, like reading or writing data. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure yet. You can switch nodes later as your use case becomes clearer. Once you select the node, its configuration window opens on the right. Here's where you connect your Microsoft account so the node can access your Excel files. Click Connect to Excel. This launches a secure Microsoft sign-in flow. Sign in with the account that has access to the workbooks you plan to use, then confirm the permissions requested. When the connection is successful, you'll see it appear in the node's connection or credentials field, and the node will be ready to work with your spreadsheets. If your organization prefers or requires a manual setup, choose Connect Manually in that same configuration window. This option lets you enter the required setup credentials directly. Only use details provided by your administrator or IT team and keep them secure. Entering them accurately is important so the node can authenticate correctly. After submitting, your manual connection will appear just like an automatic one. A quick tip as you finish: make sure you're using the right Microsoft account, especially if you manage both personal and organizational accounts. Using the correct one helps avoid permission issues with protected or shared workbooks. Also, if you're prompted for admin approval during the connect step, follow your organization's approval process before proceeding. And that's it. You clicked the plus icon, searched for the Microsoft Excel nodes, picked the one you need, and connected your Microsoft account, either automatically with Connect to Excel or by using Connect Manually. From here, you're all set to start building your automation with Excel inside n8n. Thanks for watching.